A very good morning, my dear students. So we have already started the revision that is on exponent and powers. So we started with the last topic that was that was exercise 13.3, and yesterday I taught you how to expand and at the same time how the expanded number can be brought to a original number. Correct? Then again I started with the standard form. So let me again today also start with the standard form. Then I'll come to the some more questions on standard form. Okay. Now, what is the standard form? Standard form when it is expressed when the number is reduced to one digit, or let us say one digit point something into 10 to the power into 10 to 10 raised to any integer. For example, numbers like this: 2.6, 8, 2.7, 3, or 9.0. All these numbers are called standard form. They are standard form numbers. Correct? Now, let me start with today question number 4. The question number 4 of exercise 13.3. Question number 4. It says, the first part, it says the distance between the earth and the moon. The distance between is equal to meter. Now this number, they have already given the distance in meters. Now it is such a big number. If we write in the standard form, it will become easy for us. It is easy to remember. How can we bring into a standard form? Now see, if you look at the numbers, you will not find any decimal here. There is no decimal. It is very clear. That means the decimal is in the last place. I told you yesterday also. Now this decimal has to be brought here, 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 and here. This is the final position. We have to bring this decimal to this point. As just now I told you, the numbers expressed in the form of 2.6 into 10 to the power or 3.6 into 10 to the power, all those kinds of numbers are standard form. So this number can be converted or can be changed to standard form. So if I have to bring this decimal from this point to this point, so there I have to make some changes. And what is that change? Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3 point, let me write it little up. 3.84 10 to the power 8. Alright? Clear? I think there shouldn't be any difficulty here. This question I had taken before also in the class. Again I have taken it. So such a big number can be converted to smaller number. Give the unit also. Unit also is very important. Okay, let me take another question. Let me take the question number 1, F part. Question number 1, F part. Now question number 1, F part is, it is given that the universe is estimated to be about how many zeros are there here? I have to 1, 2, there are 9 zeros are there. the universe is estimated to be this many years old. Now you have to express this answer in standard form. Same method. The point is here, the decimal is here. So 1, we are shifting it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is the answer. I think it's very clear, very easy. There should not be any problem. This is how we express in standard form. So what are the things we learned in this exercise? We learned that how to expand the number, and the expanded number, how it can be converted to original number, and after that we learned about the standard form. So all these questions are based on this. I hope you can do it now. Let me see if I have any other different question. No, I don't have any other different question here. All are same, right? Okay, please go through it. Now let me take exercise 13.2. Not all the questions, some of the questions which I had not taken in the class. So let me do it now. Okay, I will take question number from exercise 13.2. Question number 5, the third part. Question number 5, the third part. The question number 5, third part is 3 raised to 5 into 10 raised to 5 25 divided by 5 raised to 7, then 6 raised to 3. We have to simplify this. Now see here, let us see the question nicely. Here the base is 3 and the exponent is 5, here 10, here 5. See, all the bases are different. Such type of question, what we are supposed to do is try to make all the bases same. If the bases are same, if the basis becomes equal, it becomes very easy to go further. If the bases are different, powers are different, the exponents are different, so it becomes a little difficult. So what I will do, I will try to make the base same. How? Now see here, this is 10. 10 means what? 2 into 5. This is 6. 6 means what? 2 into 3. And here 5, 25 means what? 5 into 5. Alright. So 3 can be, here the bases can be made same. Again here 2 will come, 2 into 5. Here 2 will come, here 2 into 3. So again the bases are same. Here 5 into 5, that will match with this. Match with this also. Okay, as I had told you before also, in case of multiplication, exponents add, and in case of division, subtract. So we will apply this law in this question and try to get the answer. Five square means 5 into 5, 25. This is 5 raised to 7. Now see here, 2 into 5. 2 into 5 is 10. 5 is this 5, then 5 square, and this 6 is 2 into 3. Correct? So this is what we have done. We have changed the base. After this, my exponent will come. So what I will do, I will rub the upper part and I will follow like this. So I'll write here is equal to, now see here, this is 3 raised to 5 into 2 raised to 5 into 5 raised to 5 into 5 raised to 2. Instead of writing this way, let me write 5 square. Let me write 5 into 5 here, so that you should not be confused. So 5, here 1, here 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. So therefore 5 square is here. And then we have 5 raised to 7. Then we have 2 raised to 3 into 3 raised to 3. 1 plus 1. Okay. Now we have converted all the bases. Okay. Alright. Now we cannot do further changes in the base now. We have reduced to the lowest term. After this, let us say 3. Here 5 is there. Again here 3, it will be subtract. Again 2, 5, 2 raised to 5. Here 2 raised to 3, minus 3. Again 5 raised to 5 plus 2 minus 7. See, the number has become so simple. So we will get 3 square, 2 square, here 5 raised to 0, because 5 plus 2 7, 7 minus 7 is 0. So you will get 9 into 4 into 1. You know very well what is the value of 5 raised to 0. Any number which is raised to 0 is always 1. So multiply this, you will get the answer. Okay. So my dear students, so today we did, we have already started exercise 13.2. We are doing revision. Please go through this exercise 13.2. If you have any problem, let me know, give me the questions. I'll take those questions as a revision here. Okay. Thank you so much for today. I think this much is enough. Keep practicing. Okay. Thank you and have a nice day.